Welcome to the Diamond Villa at Paradisiac Beach Club in Richmond, St. Anne. This is a two-story beachfront property, and from the front you'll see that it has a clean and a functional design with a two-car garage. This offers secure parking and direct access into the home. The structure is positioned for both privacy and convenience, and it has easy entry points that flow naturally into the living spaces. So once you get inside, you'll see that the villa opens into a large combined living and dining and kitchen area. This open concept layout is designed for ease of movement and functionality. So whether you're preparing meals, hosting family gatherings, or just relaxing at home, everything is connected. The design keeps the living areas practical, there's no wasted space, and it makes it easy to transition from one activity to the next. There are large windows and doors which bring in natural light, giving the main area a bright and open feel. So moving through the villa, you'll notice that each space is designed with a focus on comfort and privacy. There are 4 bedrooms in total, and each one comes with its own ensuite bathroom, which provides every occupant with their own personal space. These bedrooms are positioned to maximize both natural light and airflow, creating a calm and comfortable atmosphere throughout the home. The rooms are spacious enough to accommodate full bedroom sets without feeling cramped, and large windows in select rooms offer views of the garden, pool area, or out toward the beach, depending on their placement. The layout is practical, giving each room a sense of separation while keeping everything within easy reach. Additionally, there is a conveniently placed guest powder room near the main living areas that ensures that visitors don't have to enter the private bedroom spaces, which helps to maintain privacy for those staying in the home. At the back of the villa, you step out onto the private patio area that leads directly to the swimming pool. This outdoor space is designed for everyday relaxation and casual gatherings, and it offers a quiet setting without feeling isolated. The pool is positioned close enough to the house for convenience, but the surrounding garden space gives you a natural buffer for added privacy. And from the patio, you'll also have direct access to the beach. So whether it's a morning walk along the shore or an afternoon swim in the sea, the beach is right at your doorstep. The outdoor spaces are simple and practical, again, giving you a balance between indoor comfort and outdoor living. As mentioned before, the villa is located within the Paradisiac Beach Club. It's a gated community that offers shared recreational areas and a secure environment. This property is designed for people who want a home that combines private living with the convenience of being in a managed community. It's also a strong investment opportunity. So when you're not using the home for yourself, it can be rented out as a vacation rental for top dollar, which is thanks to its beachfront location and desirable amenities. If you're interested in learning more about how the property can work for you, either as a home or an investment property, you can reach out to me. All of my contact details are located in the description of the video below. Feel free to reach out and I'll be happy to provide more information and guide you through the process of purchasing this property.